design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into the heart of the home to explore a concept that, has revolutionized the way we think about interior spaces. The modern modular kitchen. At its core, a modular kitchen is a contemporary kitchen furniture layout constructed with pre-made cabinet parts or modules. Unlike traditional kitchens that are built manually on site by carpenters, these modules are manufactured in factories with high precision and then assembled in your home. This approach allows for a highly organized, flexible, and customizable cooking environment that fits perfectly into the available floor space, regardless of how large or small your home might be. The benefits of opting for a modular setup are truly transformative for any homeowner. One of the primary advantages is the superior space management it offers. By utilizing every nook and corner through clever accessories like pull-out baskets, corner units, and tall units, you can maximize storage even in tiny apartments. Furthermore, modular kitchens are incredibly easy to repair and maintain. Since each module is independent, you can detach a specific part for cleaning or fixing without disturbing the rest of the kitchen. They also offer a sleek, streamlined aesthetic that traditional kitchens often struggle to match, providing a clean and sophisticated look that adds significant value to your property. Decorating a modular kitchen is all about finding the perfect balance between functionality and visual appeal. To make your kitchen look high-end, start by focusing on the lighting. Under-cabinet LED strips not only help with food preparation, but also create a warm, inviting ambience. Consider using a consistent color palette that complements the rest of your home. Perhaps adding a pop of color through a vibrant backsplash or decorative jars. Incorporating some greenery, such as small herb pots on the windowsill or a trailing plant on a high shelf, can soften the sharp lines of modern cabinetry. Additionally, keeping your countertops clutter-free by utilizing the built-in storage solutions will ensure that the beautiful finishes of your modules remain the star of the show. Choosing the right materials is crucial for ensuring the longevity and durability of your kitchen. For the carcass or the inner structure, marine-grade plywood or high-density fiberboard or HDF is often recommended due to its resistance to moisture and heat. For the exterior finishes, laminates are the most popular choice because they are cost-effective, durable, and available in endless colors and textures. If you are looking for a more premium reflective finish, acrylic or PU or polyurethane paint offers a high-gloss look that is stunning but requires more frequent cleaning. For countertops, quartz and granite remain the gold standards because they are non-porous and highly resistant to stains and scratches, making them perfect for the heavy-duty environment of a busy kitchen. All right, let's get into the inspiration. Here are top 10 best modern modular kitchen ideas to help you visualize your dream space. One, the teal and tiled masterpiece. This design features a striking contrast between deep teal upper cabinets and light-toned lower drawers. The standout feature is the intricate, patterned tile backsplash that adds a touch of artistic flair and vintage charm to a clearly modern layout. It's a perfect example of how to use color and texture to create a kitchen that feels both fresh and timeless. 2. Industrial gold and wood elegance. A true luxury statement. This kitchen utilizes textured metallic gold finishes for the tall units paired with a rich, vertical slot wood island. The hanging ring lights provide a futuristic touch, while the open shelving with integrated greenery brings a sense of life and warmth to the sophisticated, dark-themed backdrop. 3. The creamy U-shaped workspace. This layout is a dream for those who love to cook, offering an efficient U-shaped workflow. The soft cream cabinetry is beautifully offset by a dark 12-veined marble backsplash that adds a sense of luxury without being overwhelming. The use of frosted glass cabinet doors and wicker basket pullouts shows a perfect blend of modern materials and rustic textures. For rich walnut and herringbone classic. For a cozy yet upscale vibe, this design uses deep walnut wood finishes on the lower cabinets and tall units. The white herringbone tiled walls create a bright geometric contrast, making the space feel larger and more organized. It's an ideal choice for homeowners who want a modular system that feels grounded and natural. 5. High Gloss Midnight Black. This kitchen is the definition of sleek. It's featuring floor-to-ceiling high-gloss black cabinets. It creates a bold, reflective surface that makes the room feel incredibly modern. The light-colored speckled countertop and built-in wicker storage provide necessary visual breaks, ensuring the dark tones don't feel too heavy. 6. The minimalist monochrome island. Centered around a large white island with an integrated cooktop, this design prioritizes clean lines and open space. The back wall features a mix of gray and white cabinetry with a subtle green accent panel above, creating a calm and professional environment that feels like a chef's private studio. 7. Electric blue and white brightness. If you want energy in your home, this electric blue cabinetry is the way to go. Paired with crisp white countertops and upper modules, the kitchen feels bright and airy. The glass-fronted cabinets are perfect for displaying glassware. And the mosaic-style center tile adds a beautiful focal point behind the stove. 8. Gray slate sophistication. This L-shaped kitchen uses a sophisticated palette of glossy slate gray and white. The vertical integration of the refrigerator and oven creates a seamless look, while the white-tiled walls with black grout add a subtle industrial edge. It's a functional, space-saving design that doesn't compromise on style. 9. The warm beige contemporary. Focusing on soft, neutral tones. This kitchen uses beige cabinetry and a black granite countertop to create a high contrast but welcoming space. The square tiled backsplash provides a classic texture, while the integrated appliances and smart shelving make it a highly efficient work triangle for daily meal prep. 10. Integrated breakfast. Bar chic. This expansive design features long stretches of light gray cabinetry and a dedicated breakfast bar. The warm wood accents in the framing and the decorative pendant lights create a social hub within the kitchen. It's the perfect inspiration for those who view the kitchen as a place for both cooking and entertaining. Investing in a modern modular kitchen is more than just a home upgrade. It is an investment in your lifestyle. By choosing a design that prioritizes organization, high-quality materials, and a style that reflects your personality, you can turn the daily chore of cooking into a delightful experience. Whether you prefer the bold statement of high-gloss black or the calming tones of a neutral U-shaped layout, the flexibility of modular systems ensures there is a perfect fit for everyone. If you enjoyed these kitchen ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration. Which of the top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning a kitchen remodel, hit the bell icon so you never miss our expert tips on how to turn your house into a dream home. See you in the next video.